week's video, or welcome if you are new. My name is Maddie and I am a beauty and lifestyle YouTuber here on YouTube. And yeah, so for this week's video I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing. I am super excited about this video just so I can show you guys new products and just some non-name brand things as well as some name brand items. It's always a fun little surprise for both you and me. So, yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's get straight on into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to open this. Oh my god. Did you just see that? Okay, so first let's talk about the bag. So the bag I think is super cute. It's this really nice material for traveling with makeup in it. If you guys could feel, I forgot the name of it. I don't know if it's like polyester or something, but anyways, it's really good material. And then there are little kisses on it. So I love this. It's so cute. And it's like all these the kisses are like the makeup kisses, and I love this. So, first thing that fell out of this bag was this makeup brush, which I was actually talking about how much I needed a new makeup brush, and let me just tell you, the ombre on this is beyond amazing. Love this. The brush is super soft. So excited. And it's from the brand Farah, or it's S.A.R.A.H. So that is the brush. And so on the card it says this brand is known for luxe brushes that won't break the bank. Versatile enough to apply setting powders, bronzers, and blush. This brush has super soft bristles to blend colors smoothly and evenly. So, I mean, they are right. The bristles on this brush are so soft. So they gave me the powder brush in 50F. So excited to try this one out. Next thing that fell out of the bag is this Hermetic Age Control Multivita. I'm pretty sure this is a face mask. Let's open it up. Oh, you get two of them. Okay, awesome. So this is the Anti-Control Multivita, and this is the Vital Collagen one. So I'm super excited to add these two to my face mask collection that I have that you guys know I absolutely love, and just to try some new products out. And so these ones says, this brand sheet masks are effective, affordable, and target specific skin concerns. This one's soaked in collagen to help plump, lift, and restore skin's elasticity, plus a blend of vitamins, nourish and strengthen the skin from the inside out. So now to dig into the bag, open it up, and let's see the first thing that we grab. Wrapped up in bubble wrap, we love that. Okay, so this is a Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. So this is what it looks like. And this company is a highly pigmented radiance booster formulated with micronized illuminating pigments, natural daisy flower extract, and juva seed oil to add a wash of color and luminosity, weightless, helping to keep the skin hydrated and soft. So it is a blush and highlight, I'm guessing. That's what it says on the back of the box. But it is a vegan, gluten-free, GMO, and it's not tested on animals, so we love that. So this is what the packaging itself looks like, and it just has like information and stuff on the back. And then, ooh, this is what I got. Absolutely love this. It's like a bronzy golden color, so I'm going to kind of swatch some of that. So it looks like on my finger, and it goes on really like buttery. Oh my god, I love that. It's kind of probably hard to see, but it is such a nice glimmery glow to it. Let's swatch it in my hand. It's kind of hard to see it, but you might be able to see some of that shimmer that's right there. Absolutely love that. The next thing that comes in this bag is this Ipsy Cosmetics, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Ooh, I love the black packaging. It is like very sleek, so I'm so excited about this. And it looks like it is in the color Tittle. That is what it says on the box, so we are going to go off that. This is such a pretty pink. Oh my gosh. I love like the glass and how it just looks. It looks so sleek. Let's see if this has a smell to it. Ooh. It smells like cupcakes. Like I'm getting like a baking vibe from this. And I'm just going to swatch it across my hand. Oh my gosh, that went on so smooth and so like buttery. I absolutely love that. The pigment is really there. No like streaking or anything. I absolutely love this. Definitely I feel like matches the bottle color pretty well. So yeah, definitely gonna add this to my collection and try this out. I'm absolutely obsessed with liquid lipsticks. This is definitely going to be a go-to thing for me. So this liquid lipstick, it's a deep rose mauve hue. So it's waterproof and even ultra long wearing, so it won't budge. I'm absolutely obsessed with that, so we're definitely going to have to put that through a smudge-proof test. So we will do that probably in an upcoming video. So yeah. The next thing and last thing in the bag is, ooh, what is this? This is a Hey Honey Trick and Treat CC Creamer. And this is for light to medium toned skin, which is what I am. So awesome. It's active moisturizing cream with honey and rose petals. I don't know. It's a color correcting formula with treatment benefits. We love that. So on the back of the packaging, it just tells you, I don't know if it'll show well on the camera, but it is from Sarasota, Florida, which if you guys know, I am from Florida. So this is definitely a homegrown product. Absolutely love that. And it is cruelty free. It is SLS free and paraben free. So we love that. And so it says this brand uses the powder of honey and propolis to create soothing skin loving formulas. And it is a multi-purpose color correcting cream, evens out your skin and leaves it glowy and gorgeous. Absolutely love that. We're definitely going to have to put that to the test. I'm going to see if it has a scent. Okay. One thing I don't like though is mine came with it like literally open. So that is a downside that I don't like. Normally most of my products come with a sealed lid on it. So now I'm kind of second-guessing how much I really should use of this product. Because I don't know if it's been tampered with. As you guys can tell, that's what it looks like right as I opened it up. So I don't know if it's been tampered with. So we are going to see. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like honey or anything. It does come out fast though when you squeeze it. I don't know if that's why it kind of got over the lid, if I squeezed it a little bit. But I feel like it should have still had a sealed packaging on it, or like the sealed stuff on it. So we're just gonna kind of put that all over my hands and see. Okay, this really does blend in well with my skin, and it is kind of a medium coverage. So definitely you guys can see how it looks like really weird on my skin, I feel like, on camera, but off camera it does really look very well, and it does have a dewy glow to it, so I definitely like that. But I'm still kind of not so happy about there not being a little silver thing on it to cover that. So that was the end of everything product-wise that I got in my Ipsy unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know any suggestions that you guys may have for future videos. I would absolutely love to hear it, and let's chat in the comments. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!